Hey, this is Neha, and this is a demo of project Bitcoin Notifier. The project is made in Python, and this is the description of all the projects, which modules are used, and what are the prerequisites, what the things I need to install for doing this project. All these things are written over here. So let's get started with the demo. So for that, you need to write the name of the file with Python version you're using. I'm using Python 3 right now. So I will be writing the name of the file, Bitcoin Notifier. So whenever I will press enter, so I need to enter my email address so that uh, an alert email will be sent on my email address in case of emergency. Whenever, as you can see here, the threshold price is 7,10,000. Whenever the price drops below 7,10,000, the email will send, and the time interval is 1 minute. The email will be sent or any notification will be sent after 1 minute. You can change all the things as well. And for the regular notification, the destination will be IFTTT. So let's get started. As you can see here, the price is 6,89,000. So the email notification, as the price is low, so email notification has been sent. As you can see here, I got the email that the price is below the threshold, right? So let me show you the regular notification part as well. So for that, I need to change my threshold price. So let's say I will be entering the threshold of 6 lakh, so that whenever the price will go below 6 lakh, then only I will get the notification. If it's above 6 lakh, then I will get the regular notification, right? So now I'm changing the time interval as well. So for changing the time interval, here I'm giving like 0.3 minutes. That means I will get the notification every 9 to 10 seconds, right? So let's get started. So I will be entering my email here, and I will be sharing the screen from my phone. As you can see here, I got the notification. If we will wait for like 9 to 10 seconds, I will get the another notification. Here you can see I got the another notification as well. So that's it for the regular notification. Now I will be uh, showing you about the different destinations. Like I will be changing the time also for like 3 seconds, and the destination I'm going to give here is Twitter. I'm sorry, the destination will be Twitter, so that I will get the notification on Twitter channel. You can also follow that channel and get the notification. So here you can see the notification has been sent. Sorry, as you can see, before 5 seconds I got the notification. If I will refresh it again, then you will be seeing that it will get the another notification. Yeah, as you can see, I got the 2 notifications now only. So now I'll be saying, I will be showing you for the Telegram as well. So here I'm typing in the Telegram. So it will be sending the notification on the Telegram. So here you can see the notification I have received for the Telegram. Here again, within 3 seconds, I'm getting the notification again, right? And again. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching.